Check it out, I'm in Queen's Park and I found more wildlife. It's Woody. Woody the woodpecker. He's got a red head. Woody. It's Woody the woodpecker. Holy crap there, bird. You're one funky looking bird, dude. Look at him tossing shit out of there. This big mess he's making. Been doing it for a while. I guess there's a lot of woodpeckers at this tree. It's a good one. Lots of fucking beetles in this one, I guess. Hey, woodpecker. Hey. I'm pecking away at that motherfucker. Giving her. Oh, that was cool. I'll add this to the wildlife video. Wicked. You gotta be related to the dodo.